take to building this, and you can figure out what's comfortable for you. But first, let me just stack together the video clips that I want to use. So I've got this runner, I've got this shoelace tying, and I've got this walking the dog clip. Now we want to create our text overlay on top. So I'm going to go to my toolbar and grab the text tool. This is new to the update in Premiere Pro. It's the essential graphics tool that I can just click and start creating text and graphics right on top of the program window. So I'll type out run in this example. That's just my 3-letter example. And you can pick whatever font, size, and positioning that you want. Aside from being able to adjust it in the effects control panel, you can go to Window and open the Essential Graphics panel, and it might pop out, but you can drag and put it into whatever sidebar or browser you want. So I'll keep it on the right hand side here, and in this menu you can center it, align it, and increase the size to be as big as you want. In this case, I'll fill out pretty much the whole screen, and I'll give it a little bit more of that centered look. Now the next thing we have to do in